Man town kala no iti we got kala nen kira town lengere dal bit close with a man my bag town kala gago leng pe pore ke gang mo ken in northern Uganda kai yere we got see the beautiful vision kala oriar kala di kwer enen go we nge yataria jana kai neno ene yataria mo kai neno kai tit town kala neno wa malo we got kedong booster mai neno we got the chat booster eno so one wa chung wa do got ke come makai wa port ke kanyane o kwe no iti rio pe o akila chel ben du chukilo pe o so ene ye kala ene ye gangwa Jome work creative art gulu. We are in a Gago district, Kalon town council, why we got Kalon gangwacha pingcha. Nen kita ngom tima beju kede. Era yo wego lurok tia meto taking over. Kai neno Kampala pe pore ke gangwa. Kai neno korumbara ragi kwene pe pore ke gangwa. That is why be proud of your home. I come from Agago district. I'm very proud of Agago. That is why Kamoe can here in any video TikTok. I talk about my home. I talk about where I come from. I talk about my origin. Near Gino the champion. I think I jaro. And for you, but this is our beautiful home. You are most welcome. Dano weng mamero limo. Kalo. Dano weng mamero yeto we got. What the boys maro okay we got. Gina year never tap. War never knock no you. Thank you members. Take a look at the beautiful scenery of Agago district. Take a look at Kitma Gago Lengwede. Petting Geromo, Unyo Petty district mo Ilobachurikan Maleng Loyo Agago district. Petty Lobachulikan district mo Machiako Cham Loyo Agago district. To be honest, take a look at how the beauty of the town Kalon is. Konono Kikel factories. Konono the land that we have are in use. Uno beru be makonyepe. Machala Acholi wawero white ko. Machala Acholi, let's embrace government program in our societies. Government merotimo gino money in your area. Accept it with all your heart. Me achel, your roads will improve. Kekete konge kero factory mo Kalon kany. Wana chori wangiu men neno jami in a negative way ken. Ha mer mai ngomwa mer te kakikelu factory mo ya Gago district. Kekero Kalon kany kekero ite got Kalon. How many people would be employed? Gin mamira cholu keruwe. Number 2, you gangwa be your pekene because the factory miro entry no yo machiro kunu mabe. Some districts are not developed because there's nothing. Matero dana district eroni mapat ki word padano kono nga go chero kwere dugitano chero kwere. Access road mechero leading to important places like factories. Important places like the hospital. No Dana Weng would embrace. And I again my mirror will be to get a jury. Ero ka wabedu kere wiwa ni ke mer mai ngoma. Investor mo bino mano mero keto factory ne a community botwa. Lutela bino ki wiga ke mer mai ngoma kono we will never develop and we will remain the poorest in this Uganda. Ngomwa let's put a very strict law in it. Makang investor money miracle development in our area. Pedong wilo pound pa. Maka investment ni utum weo ngam wakenyu. Si dok eh. At least mano one machal there we have benefited. That would be good. But let's not be primitive to the way madong pe wa mero wa don lo. Ni dong no telo poisoning one no ni ke bi kwalo ngamwa. We will never develop. Really. First of all, balalo pe kiti akelo investment mo ekana lo Acholi. They must pack and go. Balalo. Nothing like investment. We don't want you. To Tong Maka, there's nothing like investment. Uti a balomere environment. Pack and go. Acholi, let's embrace factories. Any investor, mamerti mugeno mo pe community. Milo Acholi, let's embrace it with a good heart. Gino mo eken magamente mero team in your area. Pay nem charo ketia my ngom. Do it all-heartedly. Ana for you. Meno legana for you.